All right, this 50-piece balsa wood set is flying off the shelves on Amazon, and I see why. Let's just go ahead, take this out first. So it comes wrapped in this nice little vibe to keep them together, keep them nice and protected. Go ahead and just remove that. And you can see all the pieces. I'll just show you a few. Made of high quality balsa wood from Papua New Guinea. So this stuff's amazing, gonna be perfect for your DIY decorations and your crafts and whatever you want to make at home. About a 1/2 inch by a 1/2 inch on the bottom and the top, and then 12 inches this way. So each piece, they're all the same size. You can do whatever you want with this. High quality, they're flying off the shelves, and these are perfect, just perfect for whatever you want to do. Use these for to make crafts, whatever, decorations for your house. This is what you want, and I highly recommend them.